So first of all, we are starting by dicing up one small sweet onion. Here I am using a yellow or Spanish onion. We need to dice it up thin so it will break down easier in the tomato sauce. After that, now we can smash in 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget to mince it fine. After that's minced, now we can get our tomatoes. Here I have some tomatoes that I've scored and boiled and peeled the skins off, and then we're gonna crush them. Or you can also easily use canned crushed tomatoes. Here I'm crushing the tomatoes by hand. Now for the cooking part. First we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil of your choice. Now we add in the onion. Do not add the garlic at this stage, it will burn. So now saute the onions until they are translucent. This will take anywhere around 1 to 3 minutes. Now we add in the garlic and saute that in for around 30 to 60 seconds. After that, we can add in our crushed tomatoes. Crush up any big chunks. Now we can add in a half glass of water, or you can use at least 1 cup of water. After that, we're gonna put in around 2 teaspoons of dried herbs of your choice. Here I'm using mixed herb, but oregano or basil can work just as well. Put the lid on and then cook for about 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours later, here it is. It's reduced by quite a lot and it's become thicker. The onions are already broken down, and now they are giving body to the sauce. Now we season it with salt, pepper, and sugar, and only you know how salty or sweet do you want your tomato sauce to be. So yeah, just taste it every once in a while until it tastes good to you. Well, that's it. That's tomato sauce. Next week, we're gonna make something with this tomato sauce, yeah? Quick word before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next week, guys. Goodbye.